as you know me, but still let me tell you more about me. So I'm
Yeah.
Sakshi Chauhan and I'm from Gwalior, MP. I have done my master's, now I'm doing PhD, and apart from this, I'm running my own coaching classes also. And yes, my
Nice.
YouTube channel where I upload these conversational videos.
Okay, ma'am. Great. And you are running YouTube channel. How it is going on? Your YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's going well. Actually, every day I try to do conversation because I enjoy this thing, but we have to manage so many things. Uh, so
True.
that's why.
True.
Yeah, sometimes it gets so
Yeah. Yeah.
hectic. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I am also. I have also YouTube channel like the same English conversation video I'm uploading,
Mhm.
and I started this year. Almost. I'm going to complete 1 year. So also it is going good, and
Okay.
YouTube YouTube wants time to like write
Right.
and the curiosity also.
Yes, yes. It wants time.
Yeah, yeah. So I have a lot of question to ask you. Can you tell me about your English journey? So how it is come in your mind? Okay, I need to learn this language. And when you start your journey, so what difficulty you are faced while learning?
Mhm. So
Yeah, ma'am.
difficulties that was not that much. I don't consider it that much too much. That was too difficult. No, but it was
Hmm.
quite difficult. And if I
Yeah,
talk about this English language, so it was not choice. It was the compulsion. I mean that
yeah,
time
right.
no choice. You have to learn this kind of situation. And I
Correct.
think in this era, this kind of situation, with most of the people, you don't have choice. It is a compulsion. You have to learn in some
True,
cases,
true.
okay, if you feel okay, if I don't learn, that is also fine. But I think in most of the cases, people need to learn. Okay. I'm coming back to your question. So when I started my journey, I think it's a 1.5 years back when I started, and I'm also from Hindi medium background. My schooling was in Hindi. My graduation and was also in Hindi, and my post graduation when I was in MSc, so I was trying to learn. And that time also we were looking always some Hindi materials and Hindi notes, but our teacher used to scold us, no, it's not right, you are in PG and still you are looking always Hindi notes. So that's why. And that time anyhow we manage and we have written our exam in Hindi. But after completion of my PG, I realized that no, it's not gonna be work. Only writing English is it's not fine, because by doing hard work we were too good in writing. We were better that we can write very well in English. But when it comes to speaking, we were not able to speak. Then I thought, okay, let's start. Then I found, then I tried to search some institute coachings, and let's see what I can. But unfortunately, or I can say fortunately, I could not find. So I
Yeah,
started this my side, and I started watching videos that I mentioned. One first thing was that watching English conversations. And because I watched so many videos that how we can learn English from our side without anyone's help.
true.
Then I got to know, okay, we have to do writing, listening, reading, and speaking. So I started work on my listening skill. So I started listening with podcast and videos, and conversations video was fixed. Every day I used to watch at least one or two videos. And yes, and over the time, after 2 3 months, when I got to know, I fortunately I found one of my friends. So we used to do conversations every day. We used to do conversations with each other. I think continuously 1 year we did this thing. And last few months we are too busy in our stuff, and we have so many people with them we can talk. So it was quite difficult that time, because apart from her, I didn't have anyone with whom I could practice, and so it was quite difficult. But now we are so privileged to have a YouTube, and we have so many co-learners with them. We can do practice. So yeah,
True.
it was difficult, but not that much.
Yeah, yeah, true, true. So actually, as per my understanding, like every Indian student, almost 75% student, they start their career from Hindi medium, and after the graduation, after the 12th, and they realize, okay, I need to learn English, because after my graduation, if I am going to like interview for the job, so that time they stuck. They not be able to explain that thing whatever they did in their study career, right? So that is a very difficult thing. So that's why they people are understand, okay, I need to learn English, because every student they take English as a subject, not like a language, as a
Right.
subject, right? So that's the very big problem. And also I'm completely my background is like Hindi medium. I start my study and I complete my study from like Hindi medium only. After the graduation I realized when I'm going to find a job, so that's the come the difficult. That time I realized, okay, I need to learn English. If I am not be able to speak English, so it is very difficult to get a good opportunity. I can't fulfill my dream. So that's a very difficult point, and I start learning, and still I'm learning. So this is very important. And the thing is, if you know the everything, like you know the grammar, you understand what people are saying,
Hmm.
that's really good. But the thing is, if you are not opening your mouth, right? If you are not speaking, so somewhere it is very difficult to learn this language, as
Right.
per my understanding. The thing is, we have to practice as like English, Hindi, right? We know Hindi since our childhood, and we not actually we not learn any vyakran and all for the learning this Hindi language. And we have like 20 to 25 year experience to every student. They have speaking that language, they more and more fluent in that. But the thing is English, they first they think like, okay, I need to learn the grammar. If I am very good in grammar, if I learn everything in grammar, then I can start speaking. Then only possible to speak actually. But that is not a true, and that is not a right way. They
Hmm.
should speak from the day one. They should try to speak from day one. Yeah, if they're doing mistake, that is not a problem. If they are doing mistake, means they are learning somewhere, right? And like that they can improve their self. They can become a good speaker. Yeah,
Right.
I'm also doing a lot of mistake while conversation. I know when I'm watching my video, when I'm recording my video. So in that time I also did mistake. That I'm not worry about that. I'm just trying to reduce my mistake. I'm just trying to learn something more. So this is very important. And also you said that is very very true actually. Whatever you said.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so apart from this, I also ask a lot of questions. So I'm so sorry for that. And if you have anything in your mind, you can definitely ask me, and definitely I'll try to answer your question.
Sure. Sure. So first thing I want to
Yeah,
say that your way of speaking and your English is too good. I must say.
thank you so much. Lovely
Too good.
compliment. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
No,
thank
I
you.
was observing, and I wanted to say that it's you are going well. And how long you have been learning this language? I mean, how long you are learning?
Yeah, so I have my journey. Actually, everyone might know my journey. You can see my own YouTube channel.
Sure, sure.
In 4 second or third video, even I'm not be able to explain myself. Right,
Okay.
I know the English. The thing is, when I'm going to speak front of the people, like you, I'm feeling now you are sitting front of me. So
Mhm.
somewhere I'm scared whatever I'm saying that is right or wrong. So this
Mhm.
is a very important, and this is a very difficult point for everyone, not for me, for everyone. So this is a actually, that time I know the English, I know the situation, how I can answer. The thing is I'm going to answer you, so I forgot the thing. Okay, oh my God, what I need to say.
Mhm.
So that's a very difficult. But yeah, if I talk about English journey, so in 2020, that time Corona is there, and everybody they are sitting in their home, right? And everybody they are free that time. So that time I realize, if I have a time, so why should I not do anything, whatever I don't know really? And this is very important for my life. So that time I realized, okay, I need to start like English learning. And then I start speaking in front of the mirror. I saw the video, people are saying, okay, if you are going to talk English and you don't have surround you, you can start talking in front of the mirror. So
Mm.
whatever possible thing is there from my side, I start talking and I start like learning. And after that, I found some application to connect with the people on voice call, right? And I use like Joestock application. I connect with the various people, even you can say like 10,000 plus people I connect with the application. And
Mhm.
most of the people, they not interested to learn, not interested to talk. They said, hi, hello, how are you? I'm from here. Where are you from? And they disconnect the call. So this is I also face a lot of difficulty while this learning, right? But yeah, I never give up, right? I never give up. And that's why I am speaking, and I'm not speaking that way, whatever I'm thinking to learn, right? But yeah, the thing is, I'm trying to improve myself day by day. So yeah, I'm learning, and I'm also following some people who very success in their world. Like
Mm.
you can say, I'm following Priyanka Chopra, Gaur Gopal Das, and Satguru. So
Mm.
those people, I'm watching those video, how people are talking actually,
Right.
how they are like, how they are talking, what is a body language when they are taking pause, when they are speaking, and how they are, design the sentences. This is also very important part for anything. If you want to learn, if you are uploading the video on YouTube, so if people are liking your word, your voice, how you are delivering the sentences, right? So this is very important point, right? How you are like answering the question. This is also very important point. So I'm observing those things, and trying to improve in my communication. Yeah.
Okay. Very well.
Yes.
So you have started 1 year back, right? Is it 2 years?
Yeah, no. Yeah, my English journey, you can say, I know the English since my eighth or seventh class, but the thing is, it's come to speaking, already people are not be able to speak. So it's
Yes.
come to speaking. So in 2020, I start speaking. I was speaking that time after Corona also, before Corona also. The thing
Mm-hmm.
is, speaking to like, conversation and talking to the people in that way. I was like fumbling. I was not be able to speak. It's come like hesitation is there somewhere, right? So that's why. But yeah.
Yes, so that's why I asked you that, because your English is fine. Few mistake, yeah, everyone is making. I'm also making, so that's not a big
True.
deal. Otherwise,